Hello there everyone, Scott from Scott's Moto Adventures on week 2 of my test series. And this one's a little bit different in the sense that I am not testing a Senna ST1 and I'm not using my Bell MX9 helmet. No, I am testing this with my Bilt modular helmet here. It's old. It's going to be replaced probably within the next year or two. But one thing that is different with this, helmet is I run the Cardo Spirit HD. This is one of my the Cardo was actually my first headset that I used before I had to go out and get a Senna mesh to ride with the two groups that I ride. But like the Senna, I can connect a GoPro 12 to the Cardo. I've done it. I just haven't tested it out yet, and this is one that I'm actually flying blind on. I have not tried this yet where I would go home and, ride from home and then talk through it. So, this is going to be new to me too, and as I'm in the editing bay, I'll get a better answer of how it goes. But please enjoy the video, and if you really do like it, please like and subscribe. This is kind of the content I'm going to be doing here and there. Especially like winter time or if I'm on vacation, just some evergreen possible stuff, possible like talking heads, because I love riding and all, but I kind of want to mix it up and change it up just a little bit. So again, thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, sound check. Get to play with two different microphones now. Changing the way things are going. Oh wow, they're having a party. So this is gonna be a test of the Cardo Senna. Now I do have I have it wired in, but I also have the Bluetooth hooked up to my front facing camera here. Seriously, dude? Cool, nice car. But so anyway, I am doing an experiment here with the camera, with the front-facing camera, with Bluetooth Cardo, with my helmet up, and I do have wired and wireless. And I think I just lost my fuzzy thing. Nope, I did. There it goes. Alright. And there goes my camera. Cool. So, here's what it sounds like with it closed. We had it open earlier. Really, the experiment is not the fuzzy thing. Hey, bud. It is what is going on with the Cardo. So this is actually experiment number 2. I had a fail on the first one, and I don't know what I did. I don't know if I just didn't connect it right, if I had my phone on. See, I don't know if the Cardo HD does multi-point connection. I kind of actually want to see if it does. So the way I have this connected right now is I have it connected through the Bluetooth intercom and not the just not the regular Bluetooth channel, not the actual like phone channel, but I turned my phone off so we don't have an issue. The GoPro forward, that's on its own thing, that's just doing its own thing. But yeah, like it's another experiment. I did just post the Senna video today, got that out. It's doing okay actually for like first thing in the morning. I'm a little concerned. One of my normal go-to guys, Moto Mangi, he hasn't been on in a little bit. Hope he's okay. But yeah, so I wanted to experiment, and the Senna was coming off really pingy, just really like clipping audio. I don't know if I gotta work on adjusting that. I was playing with the app a little bit, but I need to play with that app more. And that's kind of like what I need to just figure out, like, hey, is this something internal? Is this something external?
I was having issues with it with the Bilt Adventure helmet, and then I have the issues with the Bilt MX9 helmet, or not the Bilt, the Bell MX9 helmet. I'm not going to insult Bell there. I think they'd make a much better product. So I'm just very concerned about how, and I'm trying to, Trekimoto mentioned some that I might be able to play with it in the app, and I think that's an idea that I need to look at. Come on. All right. Thanks for not letting me put my foot down. I appreciate it. So yeah, it's just like first world problems, but I'd love to solve these problems. And I hope that maybe there's a firmware update in the future that, is beneficial to the GoPro system. Can't wait to do multicam editing. That's actually something I've been looking forward to. So, anyway, back to the ride here, as I have now fixed my helmet, and I will not say those horrible words that makes the thing freak out. So anyway, I want to just do some recording here. This is just a test, and one thing I did with the Senna, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna go this way, see where this ends up. So, winding road for the next half mile. Oh no! It's freshly paved too. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to get the sound data to the computer here. With the Senna, I was able to get a track for the audio from the Bluetooth, and I was able to get something from the, what's it called? Oh, come on. See, if I go that way, I go back down to the highway, and I don't want to do that. I'm going to just keep going here. But anyway, what I was trying to say is, like, I have two tracks. I have a Bluetooth track and I have a wired-in track. And I know this is getting technical and nerdy, and I apologize for those people who are not. But this will help me figure out, okay, how can I record? And the other thing is, like, I think Bluetooth, if I can get it dialed in, my goal is to dial it in so if I have rain, and I had my media mod on. This is from the Knoebels trip last year, but I was just riding, and I got caught up in a pop-up thunderstorm, and when that happened, I ended up like losing all my audio, and I thought it ruined the video, but what ruined the video though was the fact that it was 40 minutes long, and it should have been 2 videos. But hey, that's young me. I have gone from super long videos to trying not to do super long videos. Now, I don't think I will. I mean, I could be doing an experiment later today. I might just be yapping, and I'll end up... What I could do here is I could actually end up going to work, because that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to work. I don't know if I'm going over a covered bridge or not, but I'm gonna try to go under the really cool railroad bridge. I don't know if you've seen, like, I take a picture today, but I don't know if you've ever seen the picture of my bike by this really cool, it looks like a tunnel, but it's more of a bridge. It's like an underpass. I think that's the best way to say it. We're gonna go right here. I think we're not going on the covered bridge. This one's nice, but you gotta be careful in the parking lots. I almost got hit once by some idiot. Really nice park though. Got somebody fishing. I didn't get my fishing license this year. I should have. Covered Bridge Lane ends up here too. Go figure, Covered Bridge is ending up here. Everybody some room. Hi puppers. Might have started a farm stand. My garden is crazy also. Yeah, zucchini, eggplant, yep, same deal. Same exact thing with me. I'm growing zucchini, squashes, peppers, what else? Cucumbers. I'm getting mixed results. It's weird. Maybe just because of the weather. But I'm not getting the happy with the produce of the actual, and tomatoes. I'm not happy with the actual produce right now. So we've had a hot summer, and I think the zucchini plant loved it and expanded like crazy, but it's not producing like it could be. I'm actually going to turn right, because if I turn left, I think I end up. If I turn left, I think I'm going to end up on Cedar Crest, which is fine. Do it. I'm going. Yeah, I think this is going to take me to the tunnel that I'm looking for. I always forget about with this area here. And I'm giving this guy plenty of room because it seems like he doesn't know where he is. I might be wrong. Entire time. And I was just being stupid and forgetful. I'm slowly remembering this area. I used to know the roads really well, and then the girl I was dating at the time, we broke up, and then I stopped driving these roads. And then I moved away, came back, worked a job that I couldn't ride the roads as much. Yeah, this is it. This is my favorite tunnel in. This is the Lehigh Valley Tunnel. So yeah, but it's pretty cool because you have 2 arches for the creek, and you have 1 arch for the road. It's like an old railroad thing. It's pretty neat. And then I turn right onto Cedar Crest, which can be a pain in the dick. All right, everyone. It is Scott. I am back. We are riding on the highway. I am testing out the audio on the highway. Usually this highway is 55 miles an hour. I'm going to be doing 55-60. Here it is with the face shield open. I will not be opening up the full face. That is dumb. Like I've said in the past, there was an influencer who opened up their helmet and he was on the highway, and don't he freaking wreck his bike because he didn't have it packed properly, and now he's missing a leg and his face got all torn up. He's better. He's on the recovery end, but he's got a long way to go. He's got to get a prosthetic. And that was kind of a wake-up call for a lot of us on, hey, when we're riding, we got to be smarter about how we pack. And I know I'm gonna do that next time I camp. I just thought of an idea for like September, October. I'm gonna go on a moto camping trip, but it's not gonna be a long trip. It's not gonna be on the GS here. It's either gonna be on the Trom or it's gonna be on the Vespa. Because I want to do like a little camp trip. Like, can you camp off of a small bike, a small bore displacement without a trailer? Like, I was watching, I've been really enjoying Quasi-Motard stuff, and I love the Super Cub, I love all his vehicles, but he's using a trailer, and that's convenient. But it's just not, I don't know if it's really for me. I mean, I could do the Trom with that. The Vespa, because because the engine's back there, I don't know if I can do that. And dream trip of mine is why, like, I have the Trom to teach my wife how to use a clutch, is once she's done, we're going off-roading with that thing. I'm gonna have so much fun on that. And if I blow that engine up, I blow that engine up. Hey! This is a great ride. Got some highway in. I don't know if I left this open the entire time. I might have. Oops. But I really do wonder how it sounds. How do you think it sounds, guys?
If you made it this long, yeah, there's a game. I'm not. Alright, let me get into the slow lane, or the fast lane. So, but thanks for watching. It's been a long ride. I know I went off the beaten path. No off-roading today, though. Maybe next month. And I know the BMW guys want to do some off-roading in the next couple of months and weeks. Maybe something in the fall. Maybe we could do some moto camping and then do a CPAT. But yeah, anyway, I'm rambling at this point. I want to thank you guys for watching. Did some really good, got some good miles in today. Hopefully got some good video. Hopefully I have some decent sound. If not, I'll try it again later. But yeah, again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.